We'll guide you through how to create text gradient in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop to begin creating a text gradient in Figma. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. After the browser has loaded completely, click the search bar, enter Figma, and press enter on your keyboard. From a search results page, click the official Figma website to continue. When the Figma landing page appears, log into your Figma account by clicking the Get Started button on the sign-in screen. Select Continue with Google and complete the login process using your Google account credentials. After the authentication process is finished successfully, the main dashboard of your Figma account will appear on the screen. To create a text gradient in Figma, start a new design project by clicking the plus design file button. This will open a blank editing canvas where you can begin working on your design. On the canvas interface, locate the top toolbar and click Text, which is represented by the letter T icon. After selecting the text tool, move your cursor to the location where you want the text to appear and left-click with your mouse to place a text box. Type your desired text into the text field, then click anywhere outside the text box when you're finished entering the content. Next, move to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and scroll down until you find the Fill section. Under this section, click the Color square to open the Color Picker window. At the top of the Color Picker, select the Gradient tab to switch from a solid color fill to a gradient fill. By default, the gradient type may be set to linear, but you can change it to another gradient style if you prefer a different effect. After selecting your preferred gradient type, choose the colors for each point on the gradient slider. Make sure the colors have enough contrast so the transition between them is clearly visible within the text. Once you are satisfied with the appearance of the gradient, click anywhere outside the panels to close the settings and view your finished text gradient result on the canvas.